This is the 7th Silva challenge. Unfortunately, Mike was not able to complete the build within the time frame allotted. His family suffered a huge loss recently, and these builds are designed to help you escape from reality for a little while and have fun and share joy with other members of the community. And sometimes it's difficult, and real life is always so much more important than these builds where we're just people doing silly things to stupid little toys. Once he completes the build, I'll show photos of the build on my community tab. These builds are really a celebration of the builders willing to take the challenge and share that fun with the community and allow their imaginations to run wild sometimes. And in light of that, one little known aspect to the Silva challenge is that when a challenge isn't completed, I'm going to give away one of my customs to people who comment on the video. You need to comment with the word community, because that's what this is all about. This is limited to people within the United States because of the ridiculous shipping costs out there. And the car that I'm giving away in this one, it's one of my first customs. It's an old custom. It's a Hot Wheels roll cage, the video for which first came out in May of 2020. So yeah, it's a couple years ago. But good luck, everyone. Everyone sharing the joy and the fun of this, and support each other. Take care, Mike, and I look forward to what you build and sharing it with everyone. See you all in the next one.